Hello, welcome to Building Divegear again. I'm Jules again. Look outside, it's a brisk morning in England. Bobble hat on today. Today I'm going to be covering off sorry, I've got a bit of a cold and I can't think this morning. The Outrider Goodman handle. Finishing that off, or finishing off the test. The test product that we've got at the moment. If I just show you down there, we're doing a bit of anodising today. So we've got the handle and its grip just in the etch bath at the moment, degreasing itself. Then it will get dunked in an acid bath to desmut it. Then it will get dunked into another acid bath there to anodise it, cleaned off, and then we'll have a range of colours all at the back there to go for. Sorry, everything's a bit of a mess at the moment. I haven't anodised in quite a while. I've been busy designing the rebreathers and just generally trying to get a few things out of the way. Building a canister for an azimuth for a client. Finished that off. It's going to have a radial scrubber. But yeah, so let me get to it, I suppose, and go through the anodising process. First off, the parts just go into a lye bath, so sodium hydroxide. For me, that just cleans all the grease off. It's the best way to degrease it. Others use degreaser. You know, that's a choice for them, to be fair. I find that this one works best with me. My coolant in the mill is quite sticky. It seems to impregnate the aluminium, and the degreasers that I've used haven't touched it. And the parts need to be spotless to be anodised, otherwise they do not anodise. Sorry, I forgot I was meant to be filming this. So yeah, let's come out of the bath. It's had a little bit of masking, clear. It's been dipped in back, and now I'm just going to mask it, bleach out the colour, and then dip it in red. So we'll see it in a minute. A bit red. Leave it in there for a while. And by the power of television, and have it finished. So that's the prototype of the Goodman handle, anodised up, looking fantastic, if I do say so myself. Changes I'm going to make for production: I'm going to make the bottom grab handle a little bit thicker, not much, maybe a couple of millimeters, just to make it a little bit sturdier. Again, not much, it's not going to need much at all. Obviously the real ones will have bolts, holes in the top. Now I'm not going to provide any bracketry for holding a torch, so that will have to be provided by yourself. I'm quite happy to draw it up to get it 3D printed for these first ones, and then once we've got a consensus on you know, the sizes and what needs to be built, then I will produce them and they'll be available. So in the first instance for the testers, you'll need access to a 3D printer or something like that. As I say, I'm happy to draw it up for you and send the file across. That's not a problem. But yeah, this is the smaller one. So this is, I think, about 110 millimeters across. The larger one will be about 125 millimeters across. 125 is 5 inches, 100 millimeters is 4 inches, give or take. So yeah, and then there'll also be the option of a deeper bracket, which will have an extra 10 to 12 mil. So that's about an extra ½ inch of depth. It might even have a little bit more of that on the side, so you can pick and choose bigger hands. And if I need to make bigger brackets, then so be it, it's fine. You know, I can make bigger brackets if people say I need a bigger, I've got a bigger hand, I need a bigger bracket. They're fairly simple. Done in a choice of colours, but yeah, pretty stoked with that, pretty buzzing. Anodised aluminium bolts, so no chance of galvanic corrosion. But yeah, fit the hand nicely. They can even be kind of tilted back like that, so you've got a nice natural grip and it follows your hand like that. Rather, whereas the square ones, you can't do that so much, they'd be popping straight up vertically. But yeah, choice of colours, order them today. I'll be releasing them on a pre-release for people who have said they want to be testers. There's going to be a minimum or a small quantity of those available, so buy them fast and be a tester. And then I think they'll probably be released once I've got some feedback from those guys, maybe in the new year, maybe sooner or stuff. So if you want them, become a tester, help me out, I'd much appreciate it. And apart from that, I shall see you next time when I shall probably be building a rebreather. See you later, bye.